Traders who don't understand price action are essentially gambling with their finances. Here's how I know. Hello fellow traders, I'm Trader Tom with over a decade and a half of experience, as well as the founder of Simply Forex Trading Academy. I'm opening the doors to just 20 ambitious traders for my elite weekly masterclasses, where you get the chance to join an inner circle where ordinary traders turn into market experts. Dive deep into the art of price action trading across 4 intensive sessions. You'll emerge with ability to spot high probability trades, execute with confidence, and achieve consistent gains. Secure your spot immediately. Don't miss this exclusive opportunity to kickstart your journey. Can't wait to see you in class.
Hello traders, Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you understand price action. In today's vid, guys, we are going to firstly look back at yesterday's trades. And if you stay till the end of the vid, I'm also going to give you my trade ideas for today and the important news as well. So stay tuned for that. Let's start with yesterday. We were looking at Aussie dollar weakness. This was the catalyst for all of our trades. And as you can see, guys, if we just look at Aussie dollar Swiss franc, we were looking to sell this because we were in a downtrend. Okay, so first of all, we were with trend, tick. Okay, we had, if I zoom in, we had a nice big bearish candle form the other day, which actually broke these lows as well. Okay, that's a continuation of trend. If I zoom out, we also had some room to move into as well. All right, so yeah, ticked a lot of the boxes, guys. We were looking to sell Aussie dollar Swiss franc, and this was one of the trades I got into. If we now drop down to the H4, it was basically this, guys. Yeah, we were in a downtrend. Okay, and then price broke the lows. Yeah, we were getting lower lows, lower highs, right? Then price retraced to our grey zone, yeah, which we had mapped out earlier on. And then I entered, guys, yeah. Once we got this big bearish candle, started, got a bit of a retrace, but started selling here, right? Put my stop above here. And the idea was to take price down to this low, you know, if not further. Okay. And as you can see, guys, price literally just hit my stop loss or hedge, whatever you use, before price has started to come down again. Okay, so yeah, this unsuccessful trade here, guys, but yeah, we'll be interested to see if price continues down. And nothing more frustrating than when literally your stop loss or hedge gets taken and then price reverses. But yeah, we've been experiencing a bit of that recently. So that was Aussie dollar Swiss franc. And also Euro Aussie dollar. Okay, so if we look at Euro Aussie dollar, if we start with the day chart, we wanted to buy this pair again, Aussie dollar weakness. Yeah, price was in this kind of range and then it broke, right? This big bullish candle here broke these highs. Okay, we're in an uptrend. Obviously, yesterday and continuing today is all about the European elections. So, you know, look how this opened and look how it reacted. I'm not interested in buying this anymore. But if we look at H4, guys, yeah, remember, I want to buy this pair. Okay, so at this point, we're in this range. We're ranging from here to here, right? The price was doing this. Price retraced all the way to the bottom of the range. And then we got this nice bullish H4 candle. Okay, so again, entered on this. Yeah, got a bit of a retrace, entered here, put my stop below here. Yeah, with a view to taking price potentially all the way back up to here. But again, as you can see, price came down, took out our stop loss, and now it's coming round, you know, in the direction we expected. So let's see what happens with this today, guys. But that big bearish daily candle is not filling me with confidence to buy this pair today, although it is at a very nice support level. So yeah, and then also we were looking at Aussie dollar, US dollar. And again, this one didn't quite come down. But if we look at the day chart, same reasons, guys, right? We're in a downtrend, okay? Tick. Big bearish candle, tick. We've broken an area of important support and resistance here and here, tick, right? And we've got room to move into, okay? Even down to here, tick. All right, so it ticked enough of the boxes, guys, for us to start looking at sells on this pair. And then again, if we drop down to the H4, at this point, guys, yeah, we did get some, reactions at this level, but I was already in other Aussie dollar pairs, okay? So didn't take this trade. But again, you could be forgiven if you did. Yeah, we're getting a bearish reaction, start selling. But again, you probably would have been taken out of this trade. If we drop down to the H1, again, we had this bearish reaction, but price still wanted to come up a little bit higher. All right. And that was the story of the day with Aussie dollar. We got the reactions we wanted at the levels we wanted, but price wanted to push a little bit, retrace a little bit further. So Aussie dollar, US dollar, if you did enter this, you probably would have been taken out. And then finally, pound Aussie dollar. And this was the frustrating one for me. Let me explain why. So on the day chart, again, yeah, we were looking to buy this pair, right? Bit of a range stroke uptrend, and then bang, right? We broke with this candle, we broke this high, firmly in an uptrend, nice big bullish candle. Again, do I still want to buy this today? What with this candle here? Maybe not. I love this level though. I love this level. And let me explain why this was frustrating. So on the H4, right, price came down, yeah, and we started seeing these big wicks, right? And just wicks in general, right? And then once I start seeing these, I want to see an M15 structure break. So if we get a bullish reaction on the H4, which we did, I then want to have an extra piece of confluence and use the M15 structure break, right? So if we go to the M15 now, we never get that structure break, not until overnight, right? So price is coming down. Yeah, we got this area here. If it broke this, I would have started buying. It didn't. Okay. Then we had this area here. If it broke that, I would have started buying. And then finally, it happens overnight. We've got this sort of level through here, and then bang, it breaks. And then look at what a trade this would have been. Yeah. Buy here, stop below here. You would have easily got your 1:1 by now, and then let some profit run. All right. But, this happened overnight. Yeah. You wait all day for this break of structure, only for it to happen when you're dribbling and snoring into your pillow. But that's trading. All right, guys. So yeah, those are all the pairs we was looking at yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy receiving my trade ideas and analysis every single day, then please come join the channel. We'd love to have you. Subscribe to the channel right now. Smash that notification button. That's really important, guys. And if everyone could please smash the like button. Thank you very much. Yeah. So trades for Tuesday, the 11th of June, guys. Before we get started, first of all, if you haven't already, please come join our trading community. We've got like-minded traders sharing knowledge, ideas, trades. So come join our free Discord channel. You just create a username, we let you in. As simple as that. Secondly, guys, right now, we are giving you free access to the VIP Trading Academy if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers, right? In there, I give you all of my trade signals, okay? We also have other expert traders sharing their trade signals. I give you numerous tutorials from which you can learn from. And also, guys, you get direct access to me should you need help with anything to do with trading. All right, so check that promo out right now. Also coming up, guys, on the 24th of June, I have a beginner masterclass seminar, basically, guys, and everything in there is aimed at you understanding price action, giving you the confidence to take a trade. That is also free if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers. All right, so check that promo out as well. Important to mention, guys, we only have 20 seats available for that promo, and it's first come, first serve. Finally, guys, if you would like to show your support for the channel, then you can. You can become a Simply Forex YouTube member, and there's many, many perks for doing so. Also, guys, don't forget, live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Be there or be square. Get your questions ready. Right, trades for today, guys. So not much is setting up, but obviously, what we need to talk about yesterday were the European elections, right? Across Europe, they're holding elections, right? And that made the euro super volatile, but also, weak, basically. Yeah, we saw a lot of euro weakness come into the market yesterday. Now, that actually hasn't manifested into many trades, right? Because if you look at EUROCAD, we're at a support level, arguably a good buying level if this candle wasn't so bearish, right? If you look at Euro Aussie dollar, right, at a very nice support level, right? You wouldn't be selling this, okay? Euro yen, right? Again, yeah, at a support level. We've had a bounce off that level, okay? You wouldn't want to be selling this, okay? So that's the problem with a lot of the euro pairs. Well, all of them except euro pound, okay? And my first and only trade idea today is euro pound, okay? Now, if we look at the weekly chart, I need to show you this so that you can see my target. Right, so you can see that we've sort of broken through this important level here, and we've got room down to all of this price action here, and this 84,000 psychological level. Okay, so we're selling down to here. So I just wanted to show you that because of the target, all right, and the weekly breakdown that we're getting. Now, if we go back to the day chart, you can see this breakdown in structure. Yeah, this level through here was holding and holding and holding, but and that's a weekly level, but it just goes to show how important day trend is, right? It didn't care about this weekly level and still pushed it down, right? So we're clearly in a downtrend, lower highs, lower lows, right? We've got a nice big bearish candle. This wick would suggest we've got a bit of a retrace on our hands. But, we're just looking for a retrace to one of these levels so we can take it lower. All right. So let's drop down to the H4 and take a look at, let's drop down to the H1 actually. So on the H1, guys, you can see these last H1 highs in here. All right. And that will be our first area of interest. If price retraces back up to here, we get a nice bearish reaction. Yeah, we'll look to take price lower. I'd take some profit here, leave some profit to run. All right, so that would be my first area to trade from. And then if we go down to the H4, you can clearly see that, this last low here. Yeah, price might want to come all the way back up to here. Moving average 20 comes down and we get a bearish reaction in here. And again, we could look to sell euro pound from that level. All right, guys. So, yeah, that is my only trade idea for today. I was looking at Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. Right. I really like this H4 setup right now. Yeah. It's retraced up to this sort of level through here. Right. Bearish reaction. Can we take price down to here? I do like this setup. And also, if you look at the day chart, very subjective, right? But have we, broken this low here? A little bit subjective, that, to be quite honest. However, just look how bearish this candle is and look at the weekly candle as well, right? Look at these weekly candles. So these would suggest we could perhaps potentially come a little bit lower, perhaps down to these lows here and this high here. All right, maybe even this 9,000 level. All right, and I just really like the H4 setup. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on this. Perhaps if we get a retrace into here, yeah, I might start selling this down to here. Really like the H4 setup. All right, guys. So, yeah, those are my trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. So, news for Tuesday, the 11th of June. Guys, before I get started, please don't forget to subscribe, smash that notification button, and smash the like button. And don't forget to join me for the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time, guys. All right, get your questions ready for me. So news for today then, guys. So first piece of news we're interested in is this. At 7 o'clock, we've got loads of employment data coming out at the same time. So this could really move the pound. It says 2-star rating, but all of this together is one big 3-star rating. The unemployment rate, probably the most important figure, but altogether, really important for the pound, guys. Could really make it move. After that, at 12 o'clock, we've got the OPEC monthly report. So this is really, if you're trading oil, this can have a huge impact on oil. So keep an eye out for that. And then also, guys, at 6 o'clock, we've got the 10-year note auction. So this could move any US dollar pairs. It's a 3-star rating. All right, guys, so there you go. There's the news. Hope you've enjoyed the vid. Don't forget to join me for the live stream later today. Have a great trading day. Adios.